Hi, I'm June with the North Carolina Transportation Museum, and today I'm going to show you how to make your very own hot air balloons. Let's get started. So what you're going to need for your hot air balloon craft are you're going to need a glue stick, a marker, cotton balls. You'll need paper cut out into the shape of a hot air balloon. We have the smaller hot air balloons here. And what I did is I just traced like a cup in a circle, and then I just kind of added a line and tapered it in a little bit to make the hot air balloon shape. And then there's my larger one. And you can keep them all the same size, or you can make different sizes. And then you'll need little pieces of paper cut out to make your basket for your hot air balloon. You could also use a paper towel roll or a toilet paper roll for your basket as well. And you'll need a blue sheet of paper for your background, but any color works. I just like blue because the sky's blue. So I cut out 3 large balloons for my large hot air balloon. And so what you're going to do is, you can see I have a pretty side and then I have just a plain side. So you're going to fold it in half with your pretty side on the inside. And you're just going to fold each one in half just like that. Alright, and now I'm going to take my glue and I'm going to put a little bit of glue in my balloon here, and then I'm going to take my other one and I'm just going to stick it to it. Just like that. So when it opens up, you see it's 2 different patterns, and then I'm going to flip it over and I'm going to put glue on the other side. So when you open it up, it looks like that. And so we'll do another one. Alright, so there I have my 3 hot air balloons. And now I'm going to make the basket. So I just have this piece of paper, a long skinny piece of paper, and I'm going to put glue on just one end, and then I'm going to roll it up. Just like that. Alright, so you have your 3 hot air balloons. Now I'm going to use my piece of paper here. I have a blue piece of paper so it looks like the sky. And I'm going to put my large hot air balloon in the middle. So I'm going to put glue on the white sides of my paper. Now flip it over. I'm just going to glue it down. And there you have your big hot air balloon. Now let me do my small ones here. Same thing. Right now, I need to add my baskets. So I'm just going to add a little bit of glue to my basket. I'm just going to attach it. Alright, now my baskets need to be connected to my hot air balloon. So I have my marker here, and I'm going to draw my rope to connect the baskets to the balloon. Alright, and you can add some clouds if you want. So I have some cotton balls here. And you can just kind of unroll your cotton ball. I'm going to make a big cloud here. And I'm going to put another cloud right here. Like a little cloud. All right, You can draw a sun if you want. You can even draw little people in your basket. But I think I'm happy with that there. So there you have it. You just made your very own hot air balloons. We'll see you next time.
Continue to learn at home with other great videos from the North Carolina Transportation Museum on Facebook, YouTube, and nctrans.org. The North Carolina Transportation Museum in Spencer is the museum that moves you.